At this time, if you would please step away from the walls and red carpet into the dead center of the room.
Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching, or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue on. Oh yes, and no flash pictures. These spirits are frightfully sensitive to bright lights.
memories from last Halloween. Awaken the spirits with your tambourine. Creepies, frogs, toads in a pond. Let there be music from regions beyond. Wizards and witches, wherever you dwell, give us serpents and spiders, tail of a rat. Call in the spirits, wherever they're at. Tranquility, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond.
There is sadly
Start to socialize. Now close your eyes and go try to time for a silly spook message by your side. Shrouded on a dark disguise, they pretend to terrorize. Remember, you must not as moonlight high over the village trees, winds arrive at the midnight stream, creeping through the clouds.
Be sure to bring your gift certificate.
I like this. Your life is like wives. You know,